Welcome to episode 30 of ProdPod, the podcast of productivity lessons in 2 minutes or less. I'm Sidney-Smith, your productivity guide. One of my favorite productivity reads of 2011 was 18 Minutes, Find Your Focus, Master Distraction, and Get the Right Things Done by Peter Bregman. Mr. Bregman assembled his book from his highly popular Harvard Business Review blog, and he endeavors to give insights and highly practical tips for just what the title states, and he delivers. In this episode, a summary of his concept of the 18-minute day, a powerful concept anyone can use for a more highly productive and fulfilled life. 5 minutes at the beginning and ending of the day, plus 1 minute of every 8-hour workday, equates to his 18-minute ritual. 1. At the beginning of the day, decide what you'll do today and calendar it. That's 5 minutes. 2. Check in every hour with yourself. As Peter notes, quote, manage your day hour by hour. Don't let the hours manage you, end quote. 3. The end-of-day ritual. First, ask yourself, how did the day go? What success did I experience, and what challenges did I endure? Second, what did I learn today? And about myself and about others, what do I plan to do differently or the same tomorrow? Third, and finally, whom did I interact with? The action associated with that is, do I need to update, or thank, or ask a question, or share feedback with those people? Bregman gives this end-of-day ritual 5 minutes, but it always takes me more time than that. Notwithstanding, there's your 18 minutes. Paraphrasing the author about his end-of-day ritual, he says, these minutes of reflection and quick actions are the way to making tomorrow even better than today. I'll leave you with my favorite quotation in the book from Peter Bregman when he says, the world doesn't reward perfection, it rewards productivity. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of ProdPod, and thanks for listening. This is Sidney-Smith. Here's to your productivity success in 2 minutes or less.